Hello, welcome to my channel. Now we have another unboxing here and we'll see what this. Bought a few stuff recently on an auction and I know you like these ones. I like antique stuff like old coins or even banknotes. So whenever I have a chance to see, I buy. I only like bid in auctions most of the time. Here we go. So this is these coins. See what these coins are. Oh wow, okay. These are two old coins. And see, this one is from Prussia, Germany, 1868. You can see it's a lovely coin. See, $180 Einen Tower, old Germany, 1868. Wow, nicely toned, very nice. And this one is another old one. I'll just gonna remove it on the. I'll remove it. It's a small coin, but this is a silver one. This is from 1856. From Germany. 1856, it's a Saxony Albertine. It's 5 penny. See, the old one, eh? It's nice. Wow, nice old coins. Thank you very much, and I hope you all have a good day.